So I've applied the sunscreen and blended it. There is a slight white cast left because it's a mineral sunscreen, but I think overall the formulation is good. Welcome to a new video. This is Nishma from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Sheth's sunscreen, which is a new launch. In fact, it just launched this week and I ordered it as soon as I saw it because this was something that I needed, because as you can see, we are officially in summers. It's end of March when I'm shooting this video and it's so hot in Bangalore that it feels like May. So this summer is going to be really hot and we need to get our sunscreen game on once again. So I'm going to be reviewing this sunscreen. It's a new launch and I'm really excited to try it out because I have been using a lot of actives in my skincare, and because of that I need to be using very strong sunscreen. So this one is SPF 50 and I'm going to be telling you all about it. So without any further ado, let me show you guys the sunscreen first. So this is how it looks like and I just received it yesterday and I'm going to be trying it out today for the first time with you guys on video and tell you all about how I like it, what are the ingredients and whether you should buy it or not. So let's go and open this up. Let me quickly read what's written on the packaging and then we are going to open it. So it says Dr. Sheth's for Indian skin recommends. It's an oat and zinc sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen, so there's physical sunscreens and mineral sunscreens, and I'm going to put what is the difference between these two in the description box below. So if you're interested in the science behind that, you can check the description. So this one is a mineral sunscreen. It's SPF 53, which is perfect for Indian summers, and it's PA++++, so 4+, which is the maximum, which is great. It's anti-pollution, anti-blue light and water resistant for 8 hours. So anti-blue light is also great because I spend all my day in front of the laptop or screen, so that's great. So this one has 25% zinc oxide, 1% ectoin, 0.5% vitamin E and 1% oat lipids, which is again great for your skin, and it protects both against UVA and UVB. It's dermatologically formulated. I have oily and sensitive skin which is prone to acne. So as you guys can see, I don't have any makeup on right now and this is my skin and there is a lot of pigmentation, and in order to avoid further pigmentation I really need a sunscreen so that I don't have pigmentation and my skin is protected. So this is 50 grams and it says it's for all. Open this up right now, which I'm going to do now in front of the screen with you guys, and this is how it looks like from inside. So this is very handy packaging. You can easily carry it with you guys anywhere. So let's open this. As you can see, there's still plastic on this. Tube packaging. This is how it looks like. We have to take a generous amount, so I'm doing that. And the main thing with sunscreens is of course the formulation and the texture, about how it feels on your skin. I'm going to be generous even though it is evening time right now, but obviously when you do end up applying the sunscreen, so it is going to be morning. So this is how it's going to rub, and let's see. It is non-greasy for sure, but it does leave a slight white cast on my skin, if you can see that. Now let me rub it on my face. So yeah, there's definitely a white cast, but I think since it's a mineral sunscreen, I think that is something that is going to happen with mineral sunscreens. And be sure to apply your sunscreen on all. So there is a light white cast, but I think if you wear this underneath makeup, you would definitely this would work great as a primer as well, and it's perfect for. There is no fragrance in this. I am not able to smell anything, and it is blending quite well. Even though there is a slight white cast, it has blended quite well with my skin. So I've applied the sunscreen and blended it. There is a slight white cast left because it's a mineral sunscreen, but I think overall the formulation is great and very comparable with the Neutrogena sunscreen, which is something that I've used a lot in the past. So I think it's definitely a great sunscreen for Indian summers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video you get notified. Sunscreen is free from parabens, sulfate, it's cruelty free and vegan, so all those are really great. And this one retails for 750 rupees MRP, but I got it at a 20% off discount. I think there was a discount on Dr. Sheth's website, which is where I purchased it from. So I got it for 600 rupees, but I think sometimes there's also 30% sale, so I think you would get it around 550 or 600 rupees, which is how much the Neutrogena sunscreen also costs in the Indian market. So I think if you're looking for a new sunscreen from an Indian brand, Dr. Sheth's new sunscreen with oat and zinc mineral sunscreen is great option to go for, and I really liked it and I look forward to using this one this summer of 2021. So if you have not bought a new sunscreen for the summer of 2021, definitely try this one out. And this video is the start of a few videos to follow in my skincare journey and routine videos. If you like this one, let me know if you would like to see more such video in the comment below, and I definitely like to make some more. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, go ahead and follow me on Time Traveling Shutterbug on Instagram, because that is where I upload a lot of content on a regular basis, including my skincare. So follow me on Instagram, tell me if you want more skincare videos, and this Dr. Sheth's Oat and Zinc sunscreen gets a thumbs up from me. So I would definitely use this and maybe even repurchase it later on. So let's see how this one goes, and be sure to wear your sunscreen because Indian summers are here, and even if you are indoors, you definitely need to wear a sunscreen to protect your skin. So until next video, this is bye bye from me, Nishma. Bye bye and take care.